I'm Howard Solomon of IT World Canada, and I'm here with Canadian Al Burgio, who's founder and head of IIX, a US-based direct interconnection company that has just emerged from stealth mode. I understand that the company has Canadian roots. Tell me about that.
Yeah, we were actually founded in Canada, Ontario, Canada, in early 2011. Had a real strong interest in interconnection and internet exchange, and through the support of Innovate Niagara, which is an incubator in the Niagara region, as well as the Niagara Angel Network and the Golden Triangle Angel Network in Waterloo, provided the company with some angel funding to get us on our way.
What does a direct interconnect company do?
Well, we assist organizations directly connect with content providers, cloud application providers, and trading partners that are important to their business. Help these organizations directly interconnect with one another, regardless of their location.
What's the advantage to a direct interconnect?
Well, by being directly interconnected, you have control over the path or direction of your data. It optimizes latency, enhances security. So there's a number of performance benefits and security benefits to wanting to be directly interconnected to, again, cloud content and trading partners that are important to your business.
And that's why enterprises would want your service.
Yes, absolutely. With the growth of the enterprise's movement to the cloud, the growth with the Internet of Things, more and more an enterprise is going to need to be directly interconnected to things that are important to their business. And IIX, through its software and interconnection platform, will make it as easy as a click of a button.
And you've just got some new financing. What are you going to be doing with that?
We just closed actually, recently, a little over $10 million in Silicon Valley venture capital funding from a firm known as NEA, leading venture capital firm, and we're going to be using that funding to expand our organization, our headcount, both in the United States and in Canada. We expect over the next 12 months a minimum of another 40 people to join our team. In addition, we'll be expanding globally. We initially focused on Canada and the United States. Started some expansion into Europe, but we're going to be kicking that up now. Some aggressive expansion in Europe, and then eventually the Asia-Pacific region as well.
You've got how many customers now?
Just under 100 customers. We did most of that pre-funding, that recent $10 million I just mentioned that we raised. So now with more fuel in the tank and expanding our key team, we really expect to see that growth in customer count accelerate, our footprint accelerate, and the rollout of our product roadmap to really accelerate. So we're really exciting times for our company.
Is latency the big advantage?
There are a number of reasons why organizations would want to directly interconnect. It may be just one of those many reasons, in some cases multiple reasons. Optimizing latency, improved performance, control, and quicker access to capacity. These are many reasons why an organization would want to use a direct interconnect platform. And control and security is a big part of it.
Can you give me an idea of the latency improvement that one would see?
It could be from as little as a few milliseconds to tens of milliseconds, and in the rare of cases, 100+ millisecond improvement by utilizing other modes of connectivity versus using a direct interconnection platform. And depending upon the application, a few milliseconds is astronomically important. E-commerce companies, for example, are a fear of users leaving if load times are too long. Users might leave to go to a competing location. So it could be e-commerce, it could be financial, video streaming. There's a number of applications and services that are constantly trying to improve latency.
All right, and you said improved security.
Yes. By being directly connected, you're less susceptible to issues by third parties. Because you're not necessarily utilizing a middleman and where two organizations are directly connected, there's some inherent immunity with that because it's secure, it's direct. And just natively, by being directly interconnected, there is an enhancement in security. Because it is private, it's not going over public internet transit, which is a wonderful mode of connectivity, but in some cases, organizations for certain tools, applications, what have you, are going to want to be directly connected.
There are other direct interconnect solutions that enterprises can choose from. What's the price? Is there a price advantage? What's the advantage that you offer?
What IIX strives for is, there's other modes of private interconnection out there on a global scale. Various MPLS providers, for example, that are out there. And it is proven to be very costly, much more costly than generic internet access or internet transit. And what we strive for is to support our customers with pricing as well that is at or below the price of transit today. So significantly below that of other modes of connectivity that one could use to attempt to directly interconnect.
Okay, thanks very much.
Well, thank you for having me.
For IT World Canada, I'm Howard Solomon.